Did you know when you eat may be more important than what you eat?
Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not a traditional diet but an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Instead of focusing on what you eat, it focuses on when you eat. The most common style is 16:8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Other approaches include 5:2 fasting, where you eat normally 5 days a week and restrict calories on 2 days, or alternate day fasting. It has become popular because research suggests it may improve metabolic health, promote fat loss, protect against disease, and even extend lifespan.
What happens inside your body when it runs out of sugar?
When the body enters fasting mode, it gradually depletes its glycogen stores and switches from glucose to fat-derived ketones as the primary fuel source. Scientists call this the metabolic switch. This change triggers molecular and cellular adaptations, reduced insulin levels, improved insulin sensitivity, increased growth hormone, and activation of autophagy, the body's natural process of cleaning out damaged cells. This switch is central to many of the health benefits seen in intermittent fasting.
3. Want to burn stubborn belly fat without counting calories?
Multiple randomized clinical trials and systematic reviews show intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for weight management. People often lose between 0.8% and 13% of their body weight in a matter of weeks to months. Unlike continuous calorie restriction, many individuals find fasting windows easier to maintain because they do not have to count calories constantly. By lowering insulin levels and increasing fat oxidation, it helps target visceral fat, the deep belly fat that increases the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease.
Can fasting really improve your blood sugar and prevent diabetes?
Studies show intermittent fasting may lower blood pressure, reduce resting heart rate, and improve cholesterol profiles by lowering triglycerides and LDL cholesterol while maintaining HDL. These improvements can help reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. However, long-term population studies are mixed. Very narrow eating windows might increase cardiovascular risk, so moderation and medical guidance are important. One of the most exciting benefits of IF is the activation of autophagy. During fasting, cells break down and recycle damaged components, improving efficiency and resilience. Autophagy helps prevent neurodegenerative diseases, reduces inflammation, and promotes longevity. Animal studies show extended fasting triggers deep cellular cleaning, potentially slowing aging. Human evidence is growing, but long-term clinical trials are still needed to fully understand its impact on health span and lifespan.
Did you know fasting can clean out your damaged cells?
Fasting not only affects the body but also the brain. It enhances brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, supporting learning, memory, and neuroplasticity. Increased ketone production provides steady fuel for the brain, often improving focus and mental clarity. Some studies suggest it could lower the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing oxidative stress and neural inflammation. It also reduces markers of chronic inflammation, such as CRP and IL-6. It improves gut barrier function and reduces oxidative stress, supporting a more balanced immune response. Researchers are investigating whether fasting may benefit autoimmune conditions or inflammatory bowel disease. Early results are promising, but people with chronic illness should always seek medical advice before starting.
Is there a simple way to slow aging at the cellular level?
Animal studies consistently show IF extends lifespan, likely through autophagy, reduced insulin signaling, and improved metabolic efficiency. In humans, it may slow biological aging by protecting DNA and mitochondria, reducing oxidative damage, and maintaining muscle mass. While we lack multi-decade human studies, IF impacts pathways strongly linked to healthy aging. Emerging research also suggests fasting positively reshapes the gut microbiome. Fasting periods allow the gut lining to repair and promote beneficial bacteria growth, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthier gut microbiome helps regulate immunity and mental health via the gut-brain axis.
Can you safely work out while fasting and still build muscle?
Moderate exercise during fasting is safe and may accelerate fat burning. Training in a fasted state increases the body's ability to use fat for fuel. For high-intensity or long workouts, some may feel weak without pre-exercise food. Hydration, listening to your body, and adjusting eating windows around exercise are key. While safe for most healthy adults, it is not suitable for everyone. Children, teenagers, pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with a history of eating disorders, and those with chronic illnesses should avoid fasting unless advised by a doctor. People on medications, especially for diabetes or blood pressure, require medical supervision because fasting can affect drug efficacy. It is a tool, not a one-size-fits-all solution.